What's going on YouTube? I just wanted to make a video to show you that Excel has some awesome new data types. Now this isn't going necessarily in depth into each of the new data types that Excel has, but it's more of an awareness video to just show you that Excel has some awesome new data types. So in an earlier video I talked about how you can look up the stock quotes, and you can look up geography information as well for different pieces of data in Excel. But what's really cool is, as you can see, I'm going to the data tab, that they have more new data types, such as anatomy, animals, chemistry, cities, locations, medicals, movies, foods, terrain, people, plant, space, universities, and yoga, and even an option to where you can use AI to currencies, AI to automatically determine what type of data it is. And this is cool because this makes Excel so much more useful to so many more industries, at least from my perspective, or just more useful in general. The reason why is because Excel traditionally is a very business focused platform, but with different pieces of information that aren't necessarily business focused, that are a little more, I guess, medical oriented or animal oriented. Um, it's more useful. It makes it even more useful to other industries, as you can now quickly pull information about more than just finance stuff. So, for example, we have tibia, and to be honest, I don't know what much of this stuff is, but you can look up adjacent joints, alternative names, anatomical groups, attached muscles. Um, you can look up, let's just take Apple for example. You can go to the data tab, and then you see automatic, see what it comes up with. It takes a second for it to load, and then data selector, where you can select the data. Let's see what it comes up with. You can go Apple is a food type, select, and now you can see you can get the calcium for the value, calories from carbohydrate, calories from fat, calories total, and some really cool information about this. And let's just try one more, Step Brothers, because it's one of my favorite movies. As you can see casts and roles. So you can see, as you can see, it explains the other data types, which is really cool. So you have the movie, you have the cast and the roles, and you can go through and get the name, get their roles, and see what their name was. And this is really cool because this makes doing data and research so much easier. This name's so much quicker. Image, since it's busy. I haven't messed around with the image part. That's cool though. That's really cool. So it comes up with a little image of the movie. Um, like I said, this is just kind of an awareness. I need to do more research to really make this extremely useful. Release date 2008, and so much more information. So with that being said, I really hope that you found this awareness video to be useful. Like I said, going forward, I'm going to make more in-depth videos talking about these really cool new data types, but hope you found this to be useful. And next time I will certainly make sure to have a way to make this image much larger. So thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and have a great day.